Today we're visiting this amazing waterfall in northern Myanmar. But first, our day starts in a Shan village near the town of Lashio.
Looks like everyone's from the village come to the mobile market. Are you excited to go mountain biking? So excited. Day 3 mountain biking with MAO. So it's day 3, we've just been doing a bit of mountain biking with MAO, and now we're in this village where we are about to visit a waterfall. So hot and sweaty, I can't wait to jump into the water. So let's go! Okay. It's like good community activity.
Yeah. We don't need to come back this way, don't worry.
That's just showing off. Okay. I would say probably the best waterfalls I've ever seen in my life. Bye waterfall, you've been amazing. Now we must go home. No trains coming along here, so yeah, on the train ride from, well, Mandalay, but past Haipa, we did pass these falls, but it was getting dark, so good to have a great close-up view of them. Well, that was honestly an epic adventure exploring the Black Horse Falls in Shan State with Myanmar Adventure Outfitters MAO. If you liked this video, as always, please do give the video a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more adventures just like this. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time.